This is how to make save your money to fix your stuffs like umbrella brand new, okay, because of the wind. So I repair now our umbrella to fix this, so you can use by rain if rainy. Okay, so let's start now how to fix this umbrella. Okay, so this is the tips. Instead throwing or wasting your money, you can do this to your own house. Okay? First we need this, and then roll it 1 time, 2 times. It's easy. Okay, because we have a lot of things to do, so we finish the small thing. So it's easy to finish the small and easy. Okay, instead start to the long time before you finish this video. So the important, even after uploading, you can start some other purpose. Okay? O nyari.
Pagkat mainit. Mainit.
Huwag mong pilitin. Hindi persahan yan.
Ay ko.
Kaya ko dun. Kumain ka dun. Tulog ka.
Mainit.
Diyan mainit.